Ignite your business career with DAU's part-time MBA program. Keep watching for more. Our innovative learning methodology integrates ongoing assessments, vibrant forum discussions, and immersive real-world capstone projects and research. Our rigorous selection process considers your academic achievements, personal qualities, extracurricular talents, and specialization preferences, ensuring you are equipped for high-level opportunities in esteemed companies. The TAU enrollment process is a seamless experience. Discover diverse specializations like general management, HR, finance, marketing, banking, insurance, and accounting. Just fill out a form, await our response, and soar to new heights with ease. TAU's MBA program helps you develop decision-making abilities, master critical thinking, craft strategic plan, foster innovation, sharpen your leadership prowess. Take the leap towards a brilliant business future now with TAU.